In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet 2025. Before we begin, here's what this connection does. Linking your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet makes it easier to move crypto between the exchange and your self-custody wallet so you can buy on Coinbase and transfer directly without copying addresses. Make sure both apps are updated to the latest version and that you're using the official apps from the App Store. Start by opening your Coinbase Wallet app and signing in. If you use a passcode or biometrics, unlock it as you normally do. You should already have your wallet set up and accessible. As a quick security reminder, keep your recovery phrase private and never share it. You don't need it for this process. Next, go to Settings. In most versions of the app, the Settings gear icon appears in the lower right or upper corner of the main screen. Tap it to open your wallet settings where you manage connections and preferences. Inside settings, look for the option that says Connect to Coinbase. This is the official link between your self-custody wallet and your Coinbase exchange account. Tap it and the app will prepare a secure connection. When prompted, choose Buy or Transfer with Coinbase. This tells the wallet that you want to use Coinbase as the on-ramp or transfer source. Selecting this option sets up the bridge so you can move assets more smoothly between your Coinbase account and your Coinbase wallet. You'll now see an authorization screen. Tap Authorize to grant permission for the connection. This is a secure handshake that lets Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet talk to each other for transfers you initiate. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to confirm with your device passcode, biometrics, or a verification code as part of authorization. This is normal and helps protect your account. After authorization completes, you may see prompts to explore features or finish optional setup. If you're not ready to do that, simply choose later. Your connection is already in place, so you can come back to those suggestions when it's convenient. That's it. Your Coinbase account and Coinbase wallet are now linked, making it simpler to buy on Coinbase and transfer to your wallet or move assets back when needed. If anything looks unfamiliar, double check that you're in Coinbase Wallet, not the Coinbase app, and that both apps are up to date. For smooth transfers, ensure you have a stable internet connection and enough network fees in your wallet when sending on-chain. Thanks for watching and enjoy the seamless connection between Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet.